So hi guys, this is Retro Gamer and today I am going to show you how you can save web pages as PDF in your PC. So first of all you need Google Chrome because this trick only works in Google. So as you can see, this is the page I am going to save and this is the folder where I will save it, test PDF. So let's get started. First of all you need to open the print dialog box. To open the print dialog box you can either go into the settings menu and then select print. You can either right click on the web page and select print, or you can now it will open a print dialog box and on the left panel you will see a destination area. Here you can select where you have to save or from where you have to print your PDF. So first of all click on the selected option and then select. It will open another dialog box. You just have to select the save as PDF option. If you don't find it, don't worry, just type there save as PDF and it will pop up the option. Just select it and there you go. Now you have selected the option to save the. Now just below the destination option you will see many options. These are the options to change your PDF. Here you can select whether the positioning of the PDF should be put. Now when you are done with everything, all you have to do is just select the save option and save the. So guys, thanks for watching.